Korean word, anything. Okay, you can pick your own form. Let's say you can pick those. Be careful what form you are picking. Let's say I pick something simple, area black, simple one. And with all these settings, let's say create with paper, apply.
Oh, it's a
You
line.
got this thickness, this thickness because of all these settings. You can play with this all these settings. Understand? Okay. So you go from quad, square, everything is square, apply, everything is nice. But you notice that this part, you notice that this part is not very nice because here the setting is not detailed. If I want to have very nice, smooth, I go for count. Let's say 200. 200, you can see this very low poly feeling. If I undo, I go for 1000 poly count. See, everything is smooth and nice. The higher polygon count, smoother the edge. If you select area black, simple. If you have a script form, also very cursive, have this cursive, that means you need to have more count. Okay? But it's also depends on machine can take a more. Because higher polygon, your machine becomes slower. Okay? Just be careful what kind of form you want to pick. Understand? Follow?
Then where do we find the count?
Okay, the count can be found in, as long as you pick poly, you see the count here. Okay? Let me do it one more time. This time will give you plan as well. But this plan is not. You see that the vertices is outside. Okay, let's move. Let me use this outliner to move it up. What is the outliner? Just I already forgot to mention. What is the outliner? I think I did mention in the lecturing class, right?
Yep.
Okay. Outliner content. This is by default. You have a perspective top view. If you can't delete. If you hit delete, you can't delete it. Immediate, you also can't rename it. This is default. Just there. Just ignore them. Okay. If I create text with trim, you notice that I have I gain two objects. One is a history. This is the history. If you move this, this will follow. If you select both, everything you move, you have double move. Why? Because like this is a geometry text. This is geometry. And then behind we have the history. This history is a curve. Let's say you are transformed. If you move, you are selecting everything to move. This is moving. History also moving. Then text becomes double up. Understand that?
Yeah.
If you want to move the history, then this will follow as long as the connection still happening. Okay, how do I know which one is history? This is curve. When you hit 4, let's say you can't see it here. Maybe later on polygon you can see that. Okay, let's say if I move this history, the plant, this will follow. If I select both, that means you got double move. Got it? Okay. If let's say you're happy with these settings, you can delete history. Just select everything and delete by type. That means you're going to break the connections. Once you delete history, then you move everything. Shouldn't be a problem, but you can't edit anymore. Understand the history, the importance of the history. pretty much this is no use. You only need this. Trim, this is trim. Okay, that's why I move this away. Just now I already mentioned this is trim. Let me scale it big. This is trim. Okay, I use polygons. This is polygons. I apply also create two wounds. One is a polygon, one is trim. What is the difference if I go for point? Trim is a nerve. You control the faces, the point is outside, but polygons straightforward. This is polygons. If I go back to this vertex mode, you control from here. Can you see the difference? Nuts and polygons. Okay? Because I want you guys to create thickness. Thickness, you can select your polygons, hit, extrude. The extrude is this button. In 2015, is this button. Extrude. Okay. Once you are hit extrude, they will give you this manipulator tool. For 2016, they will give you this. Okay. You can key your thickness. Let's say key 3. You see, everything is become very weird, sharp. Okay. Undo. You can move with these two. If I hit W, move. Okay, you see this black color. Black color means the face normal reverse. If I go to the other way around, you see gray color. What is a face normal? The black color means face normal is reverse. Okay, you have an object. If this is gray, right now you cannot tell. When you start to use bump map, you can tell. Let's say this is gray color. If you apply bump map, all the bump will bump it out. If this is black color, it will bump inside. Black color, that means the face normal facing inside. White color or gray color, the face normal is facing outside. Face normal is, this is the face. This face perpendicular direction, this is called normal. Normal direction. That's why they call it face normal. Okay, if you see black, that means this is reverse. Okay, let's say one day you have this black color. I'm quite happy with this. I'm very happy with this. But how can I make it gray? You have to go back to object mode. Select all your geometry. Just go to, for 2016, under mesh display, reverse. Mesh displays reverse. You have to reverse one by one. You can hit one more times, reverse. Then these are reverse. Okay, 2015. Let's say I create. How do I create it here? Let's say I create text. I call it DDD. Maybe this is area. Blank.
Did this before.
Polygon. Count what? Maybe 500. Apply. I want to extrude. Hit extrude. Okay, this extrude is doing weird. I think I have messed up the setting here. Reset. Did I select? This is stream. Oh, okay. Select all these. Apply. These have a different directions. Maybe I think I have changed. I have done something wrong here. Let me check one more time.
How about if you use freeze
transformation.
It's not about Swiss transformations. Okay. Okay, let's say I create something 500 polygon count. Apply. Oh, okay. Never mind. You can hit extrude. If you have separate into so many, you can pull this. Okay. This is a black color means normal reverse. This is normal correct. Let's say this is have been reversed. You just need to go back to object mode. Must go back to object mode. Then for reverse normal for polygons is under normal. Reverse polygon menu set normal under normal to reverse. If you want to repeat the last action, hit G. Repeat the last action is G. If you don't want to repeat last actions, if you don't want to, you can't remember the hotkey, select it, do few more times. Reverse, select it, reverse, select it, reverse. Understand? This is for 2015. For 2016, if you want to reverse the normal, it's under mesh displays, reverse. Follow? Okay. You guys follow?
This, the 2016, the one is true.
Extrude is under here, or you can find the extrudes under edit mesh, extrude. Under modeling menu set, edit mesh menu, inside that under component sections, extrude. Or the quickest way, there is a button here. Follow? Top view. I want this letter, but I don't want it thick. I change it back to component mode. Let's say vertex, select it.
Oh.
You can adjust the thickness. Okay, Illustrator, create a new document. Let's say I create a new document. Okay, I'm going to type something, text, black color. I like to show my
H2O.
window character where you
Con nó bay hồ thật mùa thanh đúng. À hả?
type.
Có gì chứ? Có hay. Hả? Đi cầm F lên này người ta
You can
hiệp
pick
pin
your own font.
hiệp pin
Let's say I pick something
Mình sẽ một text sẽ sửa lại
I
cái
can
gì.
change my font as I make it bigger. Some styles,
Tại sao
style
tôi hay
which
như
form, let's
vậy
say
đến
symbol.
tiếng siêu thật
Maybe some things are Korean or Chinese word. Change anything here. Let's say something Korean. Maybe I shouldn't type this. I don't know Korean words. You can pick any different font or icon.
Chinese, I want Chinese word.
You can go for that. But this thing, how can they bring it into Maya? You have to convert into path. Everything have to convert into path. You have to go to type, create outline. As long as you have this outline, then save ES. Let me save it inside year 3, send to, save all your Illustrator file here, then the data folder. Okay,
In the data folder.
yeah, you have created data folder, right? Okay, just I said
That's all.
in font A. Okay, when you save at AI, remember to pick the lowest version. Must be the
CS3.
Lowest is the stable versions can run across all different versions of Maya. Illustrator 3, not Japanese Illustrator 3, Illustrator 3. Then create. Okay. Then when you come to, let's say come to your scene file, how do I bring in Illustrator? Illustrator object. Okay, I will choose curve. You can choose paper, it will create a paper as well. I choose curve, apply. Because I didn't set my project, let me set my project first. It's under exercise, set, create Illustrator, apply. You will have this access. If you have set your project, this will show properly. If you didn't set your project, this will have a lot of folders. Then I will show you again. This part, if you have set your project properly, this will show as font A, double click, it will load it inside.
Oh.
Understand? Okay.
Oh.
How do I create the thickness?
Tính
Let's say this guy.
ý chung tụng
You can
chi
select everything to
cái nghề
create
phải là càng ngon lại không
lana
phải
or
tôi
let's say I
vượt
create
tôi vượt
everything.
đồ
I select everything. Your form 2016 is under monitoring. For 2015 is under surfaces. Surfaces, huh? Okay, 2016 under monitoring. You can go for surfaces, lana option. I create with polygons. Same. What count? Maybe 1000. Apply. You still can get the same
ồ
poly. Okay.